All right, as you know, I always start off in the garage. I guess I always start the videos this way. I'll continue doing the video this way. Day number 15. Day 15 days in a row. Working on this thing. All right, they took away the trash bin, so they're going to be back later this morning or this afternoon with the empty trash. So we got some work to do. I got to water my plants, man. I got to water my plants. Today we're going to work on, for me, they're going to come in and replace the air ducts and the air conditioning unit. So that's the project again on their end. So today is rip out the kitchen. Let me go this side. Now, I have two separate phones. I have my 23 Ultra and my 24, which is what I'm doing a video on right now. So I'm going to take two different views of doing this, one on this side and one on the other side. So anyway, so you'll see both sides. But anyways, the kitchen is going to be torn out today. Let me see what else I have to do. Well, when the truck comes, I'll take care of that trash. This is done okay for now. That's it. I think all I gotta do now is the kitchen. So once I get done with the kitchen, then I'll probably get started on the garage door opener and set that up. So we'll make it happen. Day 15. Let's see how we can get things done. I may start cleaning this stuff up. Who knows? So we'll see. We got a lot to do. Still got a lot to do. But these guys, when they start working, I guess one of the guys must have used the toilet because I don't remember. I thought I shut that light off. Oh well, that's no big deal. Okay, we're going to make it happen. Let's do it. Okay, I'm taking a little break. As you see, I took out half the kitchen. And gonna show you something that, man, if I had to tear this shit out, stuff you would not see or know. You see all the mold? There's mold down there, so we're gonna tear out these walls, have these walls replaced. But look at this crap here. That's the oven vent to go up. Look at that. That's all the insulation from the freaking attic. That's a fire hazard. Holy cow, these people could have burned their house down. You know that. Holy, that's not a little bit. That's probably the whole thing is full of that shit. Wow. All right, so anyways, enough of that. As you see, I'm tearing things up, and you probably see me throwing it in the truck. The truck arrived, trash truck. So putting things in there, we're gonna load it up. And I put the dishwasher and the stove out there. Maybe somebody will take it. I sure as hell ain't want it. I was gonna sell it in the garage sale, but some things are just not worth keeping. I took the refrigerator and brought it out here in the garage. So a little bit ago you saw there was a gap in the video. That's because I want to make sure the refrigerator was set up. So it's here for now, but it's going to move to a different place later. So, okay, on to round 2 of the kitchen tear out. Let me put my camera back. Okay. Okay. Here we are, day 15. Come to a conclusion. As I said before, nothing was done outside or upstairs because the guys have the day off. They might be here tomorrow. Tomorrow's 4th of July, so I really don't expect them to. They said they will be, or at least one guy said they'll be here, so I don't know. All right, so here was the kitchen, going to be the kitchen. There was mold on the wall, so I tore all that out, mold on that wall. I don't think I have to worry about the upper wall for mold. It was on the lower portion. So not to worry about that, even though I probably could tear out, but that's okay. Anyways, all that's going to be vacuumed up tomorrow. All that crap inside there. There's all kinds of gook, something inside there. So all that stuff's going to be vacuumed, pulled out. All the cobwebs are going to be vacuumed out. This wall is going to be quartered. So whatever the height of a cabinet, and then 9 inches up for the bar, the rest of this is going to go away. So maybe not, because I got to figure out that fucking pipe. Shit, I didn't think about that. God dog it. Well, hopefully they can run the pipe, move the pipe over and run it down there and then come across. God dog it. Son of a gun. Huh. Things I didn't think about. Okay. Shit happens. All right, so as you see, I cleaned everything up. I threw all the trash away. I cleaned up swept up all the debris. I swept up in here. A little mark left. So 2 people to take the tub out. I got to get all the nails out of the wall. This is it for now. So my duties inside might be done. There's no more tear out for me to do. Oh my God, is that the end of the video? Dun dun dun. Dun dun. No. Doubt it. Day 16 starts a new chapter. All right, anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing all the other good stuff. Thank you for all the other good stuff. Time for me to pack up and haul ass. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. You know what to do and when to do it and how to do it.